I'm meteorologist Leah Hill with your first alert forecast. It is once again a first alert weather day because of the heat and the humidity. Heat advisory until 9 o'clock, the 7th consecutive day where we'll have temperatures, or the heat index, I should say, in the triple digits. And by this point, I'm sure the heat is beginning to wear on us a little bit. If you're out of the Cardinals game, it's a day game versus the Cubs. You especially have to be careful with that 1:15 start. 95 degrees, afternoon temperature 96. The heat index up to 103. Keep in mind, the heat index, that's calculated in the shade, meaning in the sun, at times it could feel even hotter. Hot and humid, that is the story of the day. Everybody feeling that heat index. That's why so many of us are in that heat advisory, especially around the metro and those in Illinois. Slightly lower temperatures the further south and west that you go. I am tracking a little bit of rain and isolated, just a 10% chance of a spot shower or thunderstorm possible today. Friday also brings these rain chances. We get some boundaries setting up overhead that develops the rain that we see in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms possible. If you get hit with a little bit of rain or even a thunder shower, that briefly could provide some relief from the heat. It clears out quickly. In fact, after we lose a little bit of that sun, we start to see rain chances diminishing. And then by the weekend, morning showers on Saturday, also tracking an afternoon round of showers and some thunderstorms, mainly driven again by the heat of the day, and it quickly diminishes. But when you add up the rainfall totals through Sunday, I expect some of us to get about a ½ inch to upwards of an inch of rain. The showers that we see through the weekend could provide brief relief from the heat. The more widespread the rain, the lower our temperatures over the weekend. The less widespread the rain, then the hotter we'll be and the higher the heat index. Monday and Tuesday, this is the cold front that I'm tracking. It finally will lower the humidity by Tuesday, and it brings that heat relief as well. Temperatures hot today, still toasty and warm in the weekend, although expect some fluctuation. It does depend on who gets more rain versus less. The heat index expected to be around 99 degrees through the weekend. That's why there's no heat advisory into the weekend. If that changes, we'll let you know. Monday, still hot, still humid. By Tuesday, temperatures are coming down slightly, so is that humidity. And we're finally ending that stretch of triple-digit heat index values after today. If not today, then we'll do it over the weekend. Some drier days ahead next week. Temperatures more seasonable for this time of year.